Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where temporary files are not deleting in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type temp, hit enter. You'll have to give permissions here. Now select any one file, press Ctrl plus A to select all, hit the delete key. It will try to delete all of them except that it will leave some. What would it leave? It will leave the files which are currently in use. Now that is normal, but if you really want to delete this, then search for system configuration in the Windows search bar, open system configuration, go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Now, once the computer has restarted, don't open anything, just open disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Select all the files here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.